Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this short video, we're going to open and close the air dry twin folding frame clothesline. Now, being a double folding clothesline, it has an inner frame and an outer frame. To lower the outer frame, we put our hands across the front spreader bar, we lift it above the horizontal until we hear a click, and then we lower it down. I'm just going to demonstrate that now. So now that's lowered, we go in and we can lower the inner frame. And we do that by disengaging the two stays on the outside, like so, and just lowering it down. And as you can see, it's nicely tucked in against the wall, or the ground mount kit. And to open the clothesline, we do the same in the reverse. So we lift the inner line up, we engage the two stays, and then we grab the outer frame using two hands across the front spreader bar, lift it above the horizontal and lay it down like so. And that's all that's required in opening and closing the air dry twin folding clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting the clotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.